Hi everyone, my name's Helen. In today's class, we're gonna look at the use of conditional sentences. There are 4 types of conditional sentences in the English language. The first type is called zero conditional sentences. Zero conditional sentences are used when we talk about activities that are generally true or they are usual in our everyday lives. For example, if I celebrate my birthday, I usually invite my relatives. You also can say when I celebrate my birthday, I usually invite my relatives. So the form of zero conditional sentences is if or when plus present simple or present continuous plus present simple or present continuous. So we talk about situations or actions that are generally true or can easily happen. The next type of conditional sentences is called first conditional sentences. If we talk about first conditional sentences, we think about future and we think about likelihood of some actions to happen in the future. For example, if I celebrate my next birthday, I'll invite my relatives. You also can say I might invite my relatives or I may invite my relatives. If you use may and might in this case, you show that you are not very sure about it. When you use will, you show that you are more sure about it. So the form of the first conditional sentences is if plus present simple plus will, might, or may. The next type of conditional sentences is called second conditional. We use second conditionals when we imagine the situation which is not true now, or which is not very likely to happen in the future. For example, you have a friend and this friend is celebrating his or her birthday, but it's not you. And you say, if I celebrated my birthday, I would invite my relatives. The construction of second conditional sentences is if plus past simple or past continuous plus would or could and bare infinitive. You also can use the verb were for such persons as I, he, she, or it when you use second conditional sentences. For example, you can say, if he were here, he would do it. And the last type of conditional sentences is called third conditionals. We use third conditional sentences when we think about the past and some probability in the past. Those actions didn't happen, and we often express criticism or regret. For example, if I had known about it, I would have helped you. It means that you show regret, so you didn't know about something and now you regret that you didn't have such an opportunity to help a person. So the construction of third conditional sentences is if plus past perfect plus would plus past participle. Now let's do a short exercise which will help you remember the rules and use them in your everyday life. Open the brackets. Use zero, first, second, or third conditional. I didn't see you when you passed me in the street. If I had seen you, I... I didn't see you when you passed me in the street. If I had seen you, I would have said hello. Pay attention that here we use a comma after if clause because we start the sentence with it. It's much better to use contractions like, if I'd seen you, I would have said hello. We can only say would have, but we can't write like this. The cat, if you had closed the window. The cat wouldn't have jumped out if you had closed the window. In this sentence, we don't have a comma because we start this sentence not with the if clause, but with the main clause. Let's take a look at contractions here. The cat wouldn't have jumped out if you'd closed the window. Again, we can say wouldn't have, but we can't write like this. I'm not tired. If I would go home. I'm not tired. If I were tired, I would go home now. Repeat the contraction after me. I'm not tired. If I were tired, I'd go home now. If this business, you'll get a lot of money. If this business takes off, you'll get a lot of money. I skip breakfast if I'm in a hurry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and visit our website losangeles.englishschool.com. I'll see you in my next videos. Bye bye!